Today we were planning a mission in Kherson. We were going to deliver some humanitarian assistance, an area that has not been served for many months. As usual, we plan carefully our missions. We are very concerned about security given the constant conflict. We have notified the military, both the Ukrainian and the Russian side. But unfortunately, immediately after passing the bridge, a drone hit one of our cars. Luckily, nobody was hurt. We could go to the place where we were supposed to go, deliver the assistance, and then while we were doing that, a second drone attack again one of our cars. We have been then evacuated thanks to the support of the local authorities. I don't know who did the attack. What I know is that we were accompanied by the local authorities to deliver assistance, humanitarian assistance to people. And what I know is that the civilians and humanitarians should not be a target. And member states of the United Nations should respect the role and the flag of the United Nations.